Welcome to this week's episode of Old School Tech Tutorials. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to do something that I have been trying to figure out how to do for quite a while. I'm kind of happy to be able to show this to you. If you are a Mac or Apple user and you use Apple Mail, and if you're anything like me, I keep a lot of folders of all my mail, so I can organize everything here when I save a mail message. But what was happening is these folders after a while were starting to become disorganized, and I was not able to put them in alphabetical order without manually doing it. And that's a slow and tedious process. So I was trying to figure out, how do I re-alphabetize my mail folders? After much searching, I finally came across some information from somebody named Steve D21. And I thank you for posting this information, but I'm going to share this with you because it was so helpful. So what we're going to do is, once your mail app is open, you want to quit mail. Okay. Then what we're going to do is you're going to find the Option key on your Apple keyboard, and you're going to come up here in Finder. So you're going to launch Finder. You're going to come up here to the Go word, and you're going to click on your keyboard on the Option key while pressing Go. Then you're going to come down here to Library, and that's not, when you see that, that's not it. Try it again. There we go. So you see all these blue folders, that's how you know you're in the right location. So you're going to scroll down until you see Mail. There's Mail right here. Double click on Mail. And what you're going to do next is remove any of these V1, V2, V3, V6, V10. Drag it to the trash. So you're simply just going to drag that here to the trash, and then close it and come back in here to your mail app. Do not delete your trash until you see that all of your mail is still here and your folders have been alphabetized. And this did work. This got all of my folders alphabetized and back in order. You don't have to manually organize them anymore. Once you see everything is secure, you can go ahead and empty your recycle bin or trash can. And that's it. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Old School Tech Tutorials. I hope somebody finds that useful, and talk to you next time.